Hi everyone, welcome to our smart home. After a very long while, I'm back with another home automation video. This time I will be showing you how I set up this smart air purifier to our home network. I'm gonna show you some of the features as well as the functionality using the smart light application on your mobile device. And before that, let me just do a quick unboxing. Let's check what's inside this box. The brand is Boston Bay and the model is APBI0520 Max, and this consumes 50 watts of power. Of course, you can see the Boston Bay manual. Let's just remove the phone. Then let me take out the device. Let's check what's at the back of this smart air purifier. So when you take out the tape, you can find, of course, the cover, and inside is the filter. Alright, so this is the filter. This actually cost around 1,098 pesos, and you need to replace this every 6 months. So here are some of the interesting features of the Boston Bay air purifier. It has a HEPA 11 filter that traps harmful particles. It has a UV function which kills virus and bacteria, and it has an infrared sensor which detects air quality, and the coverage area is up to 50 square meters. Alright, so before I'm going to show you how to set this up in the SmartLine app, let me just check the buttons that you can find here on top. So you have here the on and off switch. You have the mode. If you're gonna press this, it will turn to H or high, or you can set this to automatic. You also have here a timer for 2 hours. When you press again, it's gonna be 4 hours, and it's gonna be 8 hours if you're gonna press this 3 times. You can also press the light switch or button that can, of course, hide the LED here on top. In order to prevent a child from pressing the button, you just have to press the light button for 3 seconds, and the child protection is on. So the buttons can no longer be changed, like the on-off, the mode, the timer, so on and so forth. Alright, so if you wanna change the settings, of course, you have to remove the child lock protection, and you just have to press the light button again for 3 seconds. Once the child protection is removed, you can change the mode, of course, from medium to high, automatic. Now let me show you how to connect this smart air purifier to your home network. So you just have to switch this on. Long press the timer. Once you see here the Wi-Fi button blinking fast, all you need to do is you just go to your Smart Life application or Tuya application. So since I'm using the Tuya Smart application in-house, I actually installed this one because I'm using this to control some of the smart devices here in the house. So I'll just need to go to Smart Life app. Then just press the plus button, add device. Then I need to select small home appliances. And here you can see the air purifier with the Wi-Fi version. So just stop this one. So I just have to click next. Then since this is already in pairing mode and the Wi-Fi icon is blinking fast, I just have to click next. Then just click blink quickly. And this will start adding to your network. Alright, it's now connected to our network. And the Wi-Fi icon is now steady. And the air purifier is actually added to our network. So let me just rename this to Purifier. Purifier. Hit save and click done. Alright, so now it's added to the app, and you can actually do some necessary changes, like you can click the mode to high, middle, or you can switch this to sleep mode. So you can also have the timer and set this to 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. You can also change some of the settings, like you can reset the filter, you can change the light to soft or standard. So this is actually the standard. You can also activate the child lock using the app, so that if you have a kid in the house, he or she can no longer change the settings. You can set this on lock. And you can also check for the temperature in your location. Once the smart air purifier is connected to your network, you can actually tell your home assistant to switch this on and off. Let me try. Hey, you turn off purifier. Alright, so if you want to turn it on, just tell your Google Home or your Alexa or Amy or maybe Siri to do the job, and it will definitely do the job for you. Hey, turn on purifier.
Alright, turn on the purifier.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more home automation videos, please hit the like and subscribe button so that you will be notified on my future videos. Bye!